up, guys?
What's up?
Who are you?
Avery.
Caleb.
What are we doing?
Skydiving, that's what we're doing.
Why?
Big dog's birthday.
Oh, how old are you?
18.
18, man. You smoking cigarettes? It's never too late to start, dude. I got some for you out in my car, okay? We're gonna land, we're gonna go check.
Slide me some.
Hey, he's a man now.
Oh, God.
Anything you want to say to anybody back home?
Love you, Mom. Love you, Dad. See you on the other side.
Same thing.
Same thing? Nothing original?
Nah.
That's all I need. Up top. Up top. Back around.
Back around.
Ooh. Ooh.
You guys ready to get in, get up, get out of this airplane, go have some fun in the sky? You are crazy. High five, high five, high five. Here we go, bring it back. Oh yeah, woo-hoo! Ah! Oh my one down. Look at the camera. Smile. Hands up. Yeah. Want to turn again?
Yeah, can I do the left
one all the way down? Smile.
Holy shit!
Yeah. You want another one?
Yeah.
Either direction. Pull it down.
Oh my god!
What do you think?
That was the best thing ever.
You have fun?
God, that was so much fun.
You're gonna do it again someday?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Jumping off.
It was nice to flip with you.
Yeah.
You did amazing.
Thank you so much.
Come back, see me again. I'll let you pull the ball and open the parachute. Just gotta pull the ball out. Tell me you want to open the parachute and I'll let you do it, okay? Great skydive.
Thank you so much.
Congrats.
Thank you.
You're awesome.